Hello everyone. Let's dive into the JOYJOM Mini ITX case, a super compact enclosure designed for small form factor PC builds. This case is all about minimizing space without sacrificing the ability to house some decent hardware. First impressions, the case is tiny. With a volume of just 4.3 liters, it's incredibly small, measuring only 7.3 by 4.1 by 8.8 inches. The all-aluminum alloy construction not only gives it a sleek, premium look, especially in the white finish, but also provides excellent heat dissipation. This is crucial in such a small case where airflow can be a concern. Inside, the JOYJOM case supports a standard Mini ITX motherboard, which is the key to its compact size. It also includes a PCIe 3.0 riser cable, which is essential for mounting a dedicated graphics card parallel to the motherboard. This clever design maximizes space and allows you to pack a surprising amount of power into such a small footprint. Compatibility is always a key consideration with small form factor cases, and the JOYJOM has some limitations. It supports a FlexSmall 1U power supply, which is a smaller form factor than your standard ATX PSU. Make sure you choose one with the correct wattage for your components. Graphics card support is limited to cards that are 17 by 10 by 4 centimeters, so you'll need to check the dimensions of your GPU before purchasing. For storage, it can accommodate two 2.5-inch SSDs with a thickness of less than 9 millimeters. Finally, CPU cooler height is limited to 36 millimeters, so a low-profile cooler is a must. Building in this case requires patience and planning. Space is tight, and cable management can be tricky. However, the included PCIe 3.0 riser cable simplifies the GPU installation. The all-aluminum construction feels solid and well-made, giving confidence that components are well protected. The JOYJOM Mini ITX case is a great option for anyone looking to build a compact gaming PC or a small form factor workstation. Its small size, premium materials, and support for a dedicated graphics card make it a standout in the Mini ITX market. Just be sure to carefully select your components to ensure compatibility and plan your build carefully to manage cables effectively.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.